Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a try-on video over the February 2008 Ipsy bag that I got in the mail today. This is the cute little bag it came with. So if you want to see the products that I got and how I applied them on my face, just keep watching. Okay, let's get started. So this is what I received in the mail for my February 2018 Ipsy bag. I received this cute little bag with the stuff in it, and what came that didn't fit in the bag was a facial mask and primer. So it has tea tree oil, rose hip extract, and vitamin C. And this is supposed to help minimize pores and even skin tone. And you can use it before your makeup foundation, for your makeup application, I'm sorry. And this is from the Bio Bell. This is what it looks like. So you take the sheet mask off, you leave it on there for 5 minutes, you rinse, and then you can put your makeup on. So this is a face mask for before you apply your makeup. Pretty cool. So I'm excited to try that one out. And then in my bag, I got the stuff that I have on my face. I have my foundation, powder, bronzer, and concealer. I have, and my eyebrows done because I didn't receive any of those products in the bag. So whatever I did receive is what I'm gonna put on the face. I got this brush. It's from Leche. It's a 249 dual end brush. This is what it looks like. So I'm really excited because dual end brushes are the best because it's just one brush and then you can do different things. And I also got the mini eye pencil in Swiss chocolate, and this is from Trestique. And this is, it's very small, so cute. So this is what it looks like, and then you can see it's mini. So I'm going to be using this as my eyeliner today. So I did put on my NYX Full Coverage Concealer as my base for the eyes, and I already set it with a eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using my Tarteist Pro To Go palette, and I'm going to be applying that with the new Luxie brush I got. So the other two products I received are a leave-in conditioner, the Marc Anthony True Professional Grow Long leave-in conditioner. It's free from sulfates and parabens. So I'm super excited to try this one out. And this is what this looks like. And last but not least, I got from Mellow, I got a matte liquid lip, and this is on Terrain. A cute little mini liquid lip with a tiny little brush. Alright, so let's get started. So I'm going to be applying my eyeshadow with the new brush. I'm going to be taking the fluffier end of the dual-ended brush, and I'm going to go in with this first one, Drive, the lightest shade in the palette. And I love this palette because you can just throw it in your purse. It's so tiny, so it's like easy for travel and stuff. So I'm going to be applying this all over to the lid. Oh my gosh, the brush is so soft. Like putting it on, it literally feels like feathers. It feels so good. Okay, so next I'm going to take Crisp, which is kind of like an orangey shade, and I'm going to just keep using the fluffier end, and I'm just going to apply that to the outer corners and in the crease. This is like my go-to palette on a daily because it's just, there's minimal colors and you can definitely use it for every day. It has your light shade, your transition shade, a dark shade, and a glitter. Like it has everything you need for a daily. Love it. I feel like I'm always more heavy-handed on my right side. It's just so funny. Or maybe that's just how it looks in the mirror. Let me zoom y'all in so I can see what I'm doing. I'm actually going to keep using it. It's a little bit bigger, but I don't want to use the flatter end until I get to the inner corners. I'm going to go in with Stylin', which is the darker shade. I'm just going to lightly tap into this. I don't get too much product. And I'm just going to focus that on the outer crease. Okay, so I'm now gonna take, this is what I do pretty much for the daily. I'm gonna take Boss, which is this one, and I usually go in with these two shimmers, but I'm gonna first start off with this one, and I'm gonna use the flatter end of the brush, just get a little product, and kind of focus more on the outer part of my lid, and then so I can focus the lighter one more on the inner corner. But I just love shimmer shades. And if I'm just doing this for like work or just a casual day, I'm not gonna spray it with any setting spray to make it pop. It's just so pretty. See, you don't even need a setting spray. And then I kind of do this, blend it in and just mix it with the other one. Just make sure everything is all blended because you don't want to look crazy. So now that I have everything blended, I'm going to go in with my Trestique mini eye pencil. And I don't typically use brown eyeliners, but we're going to use it because this is what I came with. So I'm not going to do wing, I'm just going to do like simple little line real quick. It does have a jelly consistency, I really like it. I don't have a hard time applying it. It looks really pretty. I feel like it's a dark brown, so it's not like too light. Still kind of looks like you're black, but you can tell it's brown. All right, now I got the eyeliner on. This is what it looks like. Really pretty. Now I'm gonna go in with my mascara from home, and it is the Colossal Volume Express, and this one's actually the waterproof one, but it's by Maybelline. So I'm gonna quickly apply this and then finish up with my lips later. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So my mascara is on and all the products are on. Now I'm going to top it off with my matte liquid lip. This lipstick is so cute. I like the darker kind of mauve tones, like brown, but it's not so dark, so you could still wear it every day. This is so pretty. So I'm gonna wear it for a little bit, and then I'll come back and see in another video. I'll update y'all on how I'm liking it. But so far it applied really well. It's really pretty, and it's starting to mattify, I can tell. But I love it. So that completes this video for today for my February 2018 Ipsy bag try on video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys.